While building a new PC, you will be buying many components such as a motherboard, RAM, CPU, SU, graphics card, and so on. But, in order to perfectly assemble the components, you will also need a decent case. A lot of people do not pay much attention to the PC case. But, keep in mind that the case you are using for your build also affects the overall performance of your system. In this video, we will discuss the 5 best PC cases for 2023. After watching the video you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. FSP ATX Mid-Tower CMT 510 PC Gaming Case. This FSP ATX Mid-Tower case is a mid-tower case with compatibility with all standard motherboards ATX Micro ATX and Mini ITX for all your gaming needs. Its dynamic RGB LED lights are controlled by buttons on the front panel for quick and easy access. Also, you will get 7 CLI expansion slots to support the case, which is more than enough for a general-purpose computer. As for the storage drives, there are dedicated bays for 2x 3.5 inches HDDs and 4x 2.5 inches SSDs that offer adequate storage. There are dual high-speed USB 3.0 ports on the I/O panel for quick data transfer. This PC gaming case features 4mm thick translucent Galaxy dark tempered glass panels on all 3 sides and built-in 4x 120mm RGB LED fans, 3 front and 1 rear, that will enhance its look and durability. The built-in 360mm long radiator along with its 4 RGB LED fans will offer super cooling for the CMT 510 series. It supports high-end graphics VGA cards with a maximum length of 400mm and a CPU cooler. Number 2. Corsair Mid-Tower Quiet ATX Case. Corsair is also one of the leading brands of computer parts. Almost all components designed by Corsair are suitable for a long lifespan due to their high build quality and brand assurance. This mid-tower case supports ATX motherboards and offers a very silent environment for your setup. There are 4 high-density sound dampening panels introduced on the Corsair 110Q case, which eliminates a lot of noise coming out of the cabinet. As for the design, Corsair has decided to go with a solid black look with this case. And there are dedicated side meshes provided for fan intake so that even the fans at the front can be hidden behind the case. As for the storage drives, you will be able to install up to 4 drives in the cabinet after you have assembled your system. It has 2 2.5 inches trays and 2 2.5 3.5 inches combination trays. On top of that, there is also a 5.25 inches bay for larger storage drives. There is a 120mm fan included with the case, so you will have an exhaust fan for your PC out of the box. Number 3. NZXT H510 Compact ATX Mid-Tower. NZXT is a very popular brand, especially for PC cases. There are a lot of options designed by NZXT that might be a great purchase for all types of PC builds. The NZXT H510 Compact ATX PC Case is a mid-tower case designed to fit almost all high-end gaming components. The overall design of the case is very minimal and is white in color. Thus, you can also mod the PC case from the outside without a lot of problems. As for connectivity, you will get a headphone jack, a Type-C USB port, and a standard USB port at the front of the PC case. On the side, there is a tempered glass panel that is fixated by a single screw. Therefore, you can easily take it out without needing any tools for cleaning and other purposes. There is a dedicated cable routing kit included within the case, along with pre-installed channels to help you manage the cables with ease. There are 2 120mm fans within the case that offer basic air cooling for the case. Furthermore, you can also install up to 240mm radiators in the case in the future. Number 4. Corsair iCUE Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. The Corsair iCUE 4000X is one of the ultimate PC cases in the market as it is designed for high-end PC builds. It is still a mid-tower PC case that supports ATX motherboard installations. But the overall design and looks of the Corsair iCUE 4000X case make it a showpiece for your setup. It combines the classic look of tempered glass along with fully customizable RGB lighting via the Corsair iCUE software. Also, the innovative cable management and high airflow are some additional benefits of this case. To make the PC case ready to use right after unboxing, Corsair is also including 3 airguide RGB fans, which allow superior airflow in the case, along with beautiful RGB illumination. As for cable management, in this case, you are covered by Corsair's Rapid Route system, which makes it faster and simpler even for beginners. You will also find 25mm dedicated behind the motherboard where you can neatly tuck away all of the additional cables. You can sync up to 6 fans in total with the iCUE software, which should cover the entire case. Number 5. AeroCool Cylon RGB Mid-Tower. The PC cases from AeroCool are fairly popular as these PC cases offer an elegant design and check out the most necessary requirements. The AeroCool Cylon is yet another great mid-tower PC case that houses ATX form factor motherboards and components. The design of this case is pretty elegant and features a hint of RGB decoration on the front for a taste. On the side, there is an acrylic glass window that can be easily removed at the time of cleaning. As for the RGB illumination, there are 12 lighting modes and 6 distinct flow lighting modes. If you are interested in liquid cooling, you will be glad to know that this case supports up to 240mm radiator on the front. It is also a suitable option for new-gen gaming builds as it can intake up to 371mm length GPUs with ease. The iCUE panel on the AeroCool Cylon is pretty unique. On the top of the case, you will find the iCUE panel, which includes a USB 3.1 port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, analog audio ports, and a dedicated South Dakota card reader. As for cooling fans, this case allows the installation of 3 120mm fans or 2 140mm fans at the front. All product pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.